I'm Rick Corey. If you'd like more information about the car you just clicked on at the end of the video, call my friends at Ferguson. Remember, no one beats a Ferguson deal.
Ferguson Superstore.
2016 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, CD player, child safety locks, power windows, passenger airbag, MP3 player, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.